Hey, how's it going? Unboxing Break here for another video. And today we have the E520S foldable drone with a GPS built-in, one key return, headless mode, altitude hold, HD camera, and speed control. Now this foldable GPS quadcopter comes in different variations, 720p, 1080p camera, also available in 4K like this model. It has 5G Wi-Fi, FPV streaming, and it has plenty of automated features such as waypoint, follow me, surround, return to home, auto takeoff, auto land, and more. Now let's open the box and check what's inside. Down below within the box we have 4 propeller guards, the 7.4 1200 mAh battery providing 15-minute flight time, and it does take anywhere from an hour to 2 for fully charged by micro USB. Now let's take a look to the transmitter. It has a quick start guide already printed on it, explaining the features built in. Very good quality. It looks like a DJI controller, and it has 4 AAA batteries in the back. We have also a little bag of accessories that contain a USB charger, a screwdriver, and a couple of spares propeller. So let's organize all this and we will have one last look at the contents of the box. The drone itself has a very sleek design, compact and very good looking, similar to the Mavic 2 Pro. It folds out very nicely and easily. It's a very good quality. It's pretty much cool. Now let's unscrew the transmitter with the screwdriver given and put the 4 AAA batteries on it. Now to calibrate the drone, turn on both the transmission and the quadcopter. Press the compact calibration button and move both sticks down to the right. Rotate the quadcopters for spin in the horizontal axis until you hear the beep. Then rotate the drone 4 spins in the vertical axis with the camera facing up until you hear the final beep. And that's it. Congratulations, your drone has been calibrated now. After finishing the calibration process, we're gonna turn on the transmitter and also the drone by holding press the power button. The LED lights are pretty bright. Now we will unlock the drone by pushing the left and the right joystick 45 degrees at the same time. It's time to take it out and take some good footage with this drone.